Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Planning an international trip can be both exciting and overwhelming. One of the first questions that every traveler asks is, should I book everything online by myself or go through a travel agent? Today we are going to explore both the options, compare safety, reliability and convenience, and show why choosing a travel agency can make your international trip smoother, safer and stress-free. Online booking has grown massively in recent years. Platforms like Make My Trip, Expedia, Booking.com and airline websites make it easy to search for flights and hotels instantly, compare prices and reviews, book tours, tickets and activities, and you are set. Pros of online booking: you have full control over your itinerary. Often find cheaper flights or hotels if you hunt for deals. Instant confirmations and flexibility to book anytime. Cons of online booking: you are fully responsible for cancellations, rescheduling and errors. Some websites may hide fees or complicated cancellation policies. There's always a risk of wrong bookings or fraud if you book from unverified sites. If something goes wrong abroad, you may be on your own. You have to plan your itinerary and book individual components one by one, and there can be a dozen of them. Coordinating with different companies for each activity. Travel agencies like Jeto Vacation provide end-to-end solutions for international trips. They plan your flights, hotels, transfer, visas, tour and even emergency support. Pros of using a travel agent: trusted and secure bookings, your money is safe. Expert guidance for destinations, visas and travel rules. Agents handle cancellations, delays and last-minute changes, reducing stress. Packages often include flights, hotels, meals and transfers, giving value for money. Great for families, first-time international travelers and complex itineraries. Cons: may cost slightly more than DIY online bookings if you are not getting special deals. Limited flexibility if you want to make frequent last-minute changes. When it comes to safety, travel agents clearly have the upper hand. Financial security: verified agents process payments through secure channels. In case of cancellations, agencies often refund or reschedule. Support abroad: travel agents provide local assistance if flights are delayed or hotels overbooked. Online bookings leave you handling everything yourself, sometimes in a foreign country where language is a barrier. Reliable information: agents provide accurate visa, customs and travel guidelines. Online information can be outdated or misleading, leading to mistakes at immigration or checkpoints. Booking online means you manage everything from flights to transfers. You are responsible for printing tickets, confirming bookings and troubleshooting issues. Travel agents provide hassle-free packages with everything planned in advance. Customized itinerary for couples, families or solo travelers. Support 24/7 so that you can focus on your trip and enjoy rather than worrying. Online bookings can sometimes be cheaper if you are flexible and tech-savvy. But travel agencies bundle flights, hotels, transfers and tours, often including exclusive perks, saving time and hidden cost. So really the question isn't which is cheaper, it's which is safer, smarter and stress-free. Travel agencies are perfect for families with kids, no hassle, everything organized. First-time international travelers, guidance on visas, rules and destinations. Groups and complex itineraries. Multi-city trips, cruises or special experiences. Anyone who values time, convenience and safety over a slightly cheaper online booking. So, if you are planning your next international trip, remember, while online booking is convenient, a trusted travel agent like Jeto Vacations ensures safety, reliability and a stress-free journey. DM us today to plan your dream international vacation and travel smarter, safer and happier. Like this video if you found it useful, subscribe for more travel tips and guides, comment your next dream destination below.